Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video on CAAS. Um, as you can see, we got in the stock at 628 and it's now trading just under $9. I will be holding the shares overnight and I will look to add to the position if it sets up on the daily. Here's the daily chart. As you can see, this is a huge jump, huge bottom and tail. So I want to give it some room to digest the information, see if I can add to the position, maximize my shares, and then have it take out that 950 area. So that's the plan. And let me look at the week, 3 years. I believe I saw on here, anyway, I believe $27 is the all-time high. So of course, depending on how crazy the stock gets, that's going to be my ultimate target. I will trail to take target one and take target two. I just wanted to let you guys know I am holding the position and I will add to the position. I'll talk to you guys soon.